Hello! Greetings! Welcome to Daika's Car Toy and Anime Action Figure! How's everybody? I hope everyone is in good mood, good condition, and of course, good health. And we have another beautiful vehicle that we're gonna unbox today. And let's do this! Nicey, nicey. I love it, I love it. Beautiful. Ba-bam! This is the vehicle that we gonna unbox today. This one is 1970 Datsun 510. Beautiful, nicey, nicey. Okay. Tape is too. There. You got it? There. You got it. How's everybody? While I'm unboxing, while I'm unboxing this beautiful vehicle, I just want to invite everybody to watch the second part of the program. It's turntable time. Yeah, we're gonna talk. The topic is we're gonna talk more regarding about this beautiful vehicle. I'm gonna give you a little bit information on it. Okay, and thank you for your support and thank you for watching. And if you like my program, if you're new, please subscribe. At the same time, hit share and what else? Forgot. Forgot. Okay. This is the there's a platform on it, and there's some screw over here that we need to take it off. Before that, let me wear my reading glasses so I can see what I'm doing, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Remember, lefty, lefty, loosey, righty, righty, tighty. Okay. Just want to remind everybody, if you live in United States, summer is here. And if you're working outdoor like me, please drink a lot of water. If you feel hot, take rest. You know, we don't want to have a heat stroke. Drink a lot of plenty water. That's the secret if you're working outdoor. Okay, and there's more over here. There's more for screw that we need to take off. Come on, baby. There you go. Almost there. I think I got the wrong size of screw driver, but it's worked. One more. Oh, one more is still hook up this side. Got it? Oh, not yet. Still in there. Ah, let me get a different one, smaller one. This one. Mm. Uh-oh, we have a problem. Won't come off, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Use this one. The minus maybe gonna work. I think I broke the okay. Houston, we have a problem. It won't come up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Sometimes this one's happen. Left. Gotta make them off. My goodness. I think I need to get a plier. I will take one off, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Hold on. Nope. Happened. It's I think I broke the screw already, the head, so I'm trying to, so I have smaller on that, and I guess I don't have it. Okay, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have difficulty removing the second part of the platform. You know, this is the first platform and this is the second platform, and it won't come off. Anyway, let's do the thing. And I don't know if that's my because this kind of screw, if you want to remove it, just be careful so you won't be end up like me, having hard time taking off. There's a tape over here, but it's alright. We can still show you this beautiful vehicle. Okay, let me put away some tools. Okay, this is 1970 Datsun 510. Okay, there's a little bit problem on the second part. Thank you for your patience on me. There you go. And I believe we can open this one. Beautiful, nicey, nicey. That's the engine compartment. If you can see the cylinder head, you know, that red over there, detailed and everything, color designated, beautiful. There's some orange aluminum color and there's some blue over here. I'm assuming those are the it's in my mind, I forgot. Okay, bumper, and you get the Datsun. Datsun is Nissan, you know. You got the headlight, beautiful. And 70s, you know, they got the side mirror over here. The side mirror, you can see it's the windshield wiper. And over here, there's no I think this one is a racing car, so there's no oh yeah, there is. I thought there's no rear view mirror. There's a rear view mirror right there. And this one have a roll cage. Okay, I think we can open the door. Let's see. There. Everything's giving me hard time. Okay, doors. We can open the door if you can see. The steering wheel, and I'm assuming this one is a stick shift, is a racing car. Yep, there's a shifting gear over there. I wish they put a different color in the shifting gear right there. If you can see, at least they put different color in the steering wheel. Nicey, nicey. And there's a roll cage in there. This one is a two-door sedan, and number 7, lucky 7. And we can open the trunk at the same time. This is the bumper in the rear. You have your turn signal light, stop light, and rear reverse light. Over here, same thing. There's number 7. Let's see, let's open this door. There you go. Open the door on the side, and there's a Datsun insignia, and this one too. Beautiful, nicey, nicey. And of course the tire rubber, because this one's a racing car. Yep, I thought they're bold. They're not bold. There's some traction on it. Beautiful. There's the. You can open it so you can see the inside. There's a roll cage on it, and underneath, because I cannot take this one off, so we just turn that one. I believe we can turn the wheel. Can we turn? Nope, it's fixed. Okay, tire rubber, nice combination with the black rim. But you know, that's a nice combination. There's white over there. What's that? Aldwin or Baldwin. Yokohama, the tire. And let's go back in the underneath the chassis. Oh, fell out by itself. Beautiful. Okay, thanks God. Okay, in the front we got the engine compartment. If you can see, this is the engine, this is the differential. Oh, transmission, sorry, transmission, engine, transmission. And you can see this one over here. This one is the drive shaft going to the differential. See this one, like sticking up? That's the exhaust, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, you got the receptor over here. Let's see, they got the receptor or something. Nope, just very small. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience on me. I'm having some difficult issue removing the second platform, but you know, it came off by itself. Okay, now we're gonna do the road test. Please watch the second part of the video, that it's turntable time. And follow my Facebook too, Junsure, the same time, and Instagram, Junsure. I'm posting some pictures, a small video over there. Let's see if this one gonna roll. It's rolling! Beautiful! It's rolling! Nicey, nicey. I love it, I love it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. And I just want to remind everybody, please, 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 if you're gonna ride, always be defensive. Bye.